We were actually discussing this. Salman sir, you're looking fantastic first. Can I just say this?
Thank you.
And you put all of us to shame also. हर बारी वापस जाके बहुत सारी चीजें करनी पड़ती
बीच में कभी-कभी ऐसा गड़बड़ हो जाता है कि 6-7 रात सोए नहीं, फिर वो सोशल मीडिया वाले पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, उनको दिखाना पड़ता है कि भाई अभी तक है। और फिर बोलता है कि 31 इयर्स का डिफरेंस है हीरोइन और मुझ में। अरे जब हीरोइन को ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हीरोइन के फादर को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुमको क्यों प्रॉब्लम है भाई? अब जब इनकी
A lovely article you said, when I'm making films with big stars, I just make big films, you know, in that way. You have to also cater to the audience, what the audience wants, what the star also has, you know, as a name for so many years. Someone like Salman sir is, you know, literally pan-India. You know, it works like that. You seem so unassuming all the time. How do you make these big, this has got emotion, this has got action. Are you like this on the chair also when you're directing? Is it like this only with a small voice? Or is there another side of you that we haven't seen which is there in the films also? Because the films have a lot of aggression. So which side is this?
I want to share something with you, please.
One second, I'll just, yeah, just take, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Just increase the volume for this.
Thank you everyone. Thank you for coming. Actually, I was struggling AD long back, so I wanted to watch a shoot. So I went to Prasad studio in Chennai. I request the security. So 20 minutes you have time. After 20 minutes you have to leave. So I entered. I know what was the shoot, so I was just waiting. Full dark, one smoke. Suddenly light comes. Sridevi ma'am was there. So I thought first time watching Sridevi ma'am shooting. Then suddenly I can see a hero backside. He's coming.
backside. You like my backside?
So he's combing. So I tried to see who is the hero. He turned. Is none other than Salman sir. So I tried to go one step forward, but the security guard looking at me. So I was there. So that shoot started. So without knowing, I went forward. So the guard touched me. So your time's up. You have to leave.
Yeah.
So then I went out. So I thought one day I want to direct his film. So after so many years, I have directed with him.
Fantastic.
So
Just imagine what the security guard must be thinking now, sir, when he comes to watch this movie.
so thank you, sir.
And then they talk about nepotism. इससे बड़ा केस क्या होगा nepotism का?
So Salman sir will make you whistle. He will make you cry when you watch the film. So definitely you will enjoy the
As long
film.
as Salman sir does not make Murgados and Sajid Nadyarwala cry after the release and break her amazing track record, I am fine with it.